Hello everyone, my name is Basavaraj Girimallanavar, working as Assistant Professor at Cambridge Institute of Technology, MBA Department, Bangalore. This video captures a concepts from Services Marketing course of MBA third semester, VTU 2018 scheme. Today we will discuss about 7 P's of services marketing. The service marketing mix is also known as an extended marketing mix and is an integral part of a service blueprint design. The service marketing mix consists of 7 P's as compared to the 4 P's of a product marketing mix. Simply said, the service marketing mix assumes the service as a product itself. However, it adds 3 more P's which are required for optimum service delivery. 7 P's of service marketing are as follows. First P of service marketing mix is product. The product in service marketing mix is intangible in nature, like physical products such as a soap or a detergent. Service products cannot be measured. Tourism industry or the education industry can be an excellent example. At the same time, service products are heterogeneous, perishable, and cannot be owned. The service product thus has to be designed with care. Generally, service blueprinting is done to define the service product. For example, a restaurant blueprint will be prepared before establishing a restaurant business. This service blueprint defines exactly how the product, in this case the restaurant, is going to be. Second P of service marketing mix is place. Place in case of service determine where is the service product going to be located. The best place to open up a petrol pump is on the highway or in the city. A place where there is minimum traffic is a wrong location to start a petrol pump. Similarly, a software company will be better placed in a business hub with a lot of companies nearby rather than being placed in a town or rural area. Third P of service marketing mix is promotion. Promotions have become a critical factor in the service marketing mix. Services are easy to be duplicated, and hence it is generally the brand which sets a service apart from its counterpart. You'll find a lot of banks and telecom companies promoting themselves rigorously. It is because competition in this service sector is generally high and promotions is necessary to survive. Thus banks, IT companies and .coms place themselves above the rest by advertising or promotions. Fourth P of service marketing mix is pricing. Pricing in case of services is rather more difficult than in case of products. If You were a restaurant owner. You can price people only for the food you are serving. But then, who will pay for the nice ambience you have built up for your customers? Who will pay for the band you have for music? Thus, these elements have to be taken into consideration while costing. Generally, service pricing involves taking into consideration labor, material cost, and overhead costs. By adding a profit markup, you get your final service pricing. Fifth P of service marketing mix is people. People is one of the elements of service marketing mix. People defines a service. If you have an IT company, your software engineers define you. If you have a restaurant, your chef and service staff define you. If you are into banking, employees in your branch and their behavior towards customers define you. In case of service marketing, people can make or break an organization. Thus, many companies nowadays are involved into specially getting their staff trained in interpersonal skills and customer service with a focus towards customer satisfaction. Definitely a unique selling proposition in case of services. Sixth P of service marketing mix is process. Service process is the way in which a service is delivered to the end customer. Let's take the example of two very good companies, McDonald's and FedEx. Both the companies thrive on their quick service, and the reason they can do that is either confidence on their process. On top of it, the demand of these services is such that they have to deliver optimally without a loss in quality. Thus, the process of service company in delivering its product is of utmost importance. It is also a critical component in the service blueprint, wherein before establishing the service, the company defines exactly what should be the process of the service product reaching the end customers. The seventh, the last P of service marketing mix is physical evidence. The last element in the service marketing mix is a very important element. As said before, services are intangible in nature. However, to create a better customer experience, tangible elements are also delivered with service. Take an example of a restaurant which has only chairs and tables and good food, or a restaurant which has ambient lighting, nice music, along with good seating arrangement, and this also serves good food. That's good physical evidence. Several times, physical evidence is used as differentiator in service marketing. To summarize, the service marketing mix is a unique to services. The model is an extension of product marketing mix, also known as 4 P's of marketing. All four tactics of the product marketing mix used to market products remains the same, but three new tactics are added. The additional three P's are needed to adequately capture the options available to market and promote services. In a nutshell, the services marketing mix provides 7 tactics that can be adjusted to help you attract and keep customers in services businesses. When using the tool, the aim is to find the right balance between all 7 tactics so your service is a success in the marketplace. To conclude, 7 P's is one of the important concepts of services marketing we have discussed today. We are going to discuss other important concept of services marketing, VTU scheme 2018 in the next lecture video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.